You know, native speakers use some phrases that English learners will never find them in English books. Yes, exactly. What should I do? The best way to learn all these phrases is to listen to their conversations. Ooh, that's interesting. Today you will learn 20 popular phrases and idioms with one of our favorite animation, Inside Out. You can definitely use all of them in your daily conversations. Now what you're waiting for, let's watch it, learn it.
Right. We'll put the bed there and the desk over there.
The hockey lamp goes there.
Put the chair there.
Well, the trophy collection
Put
over
the
there.
poster there.
Stars.
We need more
Yeah, I like that.
Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. That is exactly what I wanted. This is a great idea. Like imagine you have salad for dinner and suddenly your friend comes in with a big pizza and you are like, oh, now we're talking. So when you see something that is more interesting than some other things, you can say, now we're talking. That is great.
What the heck is
Who
that?
puts broccoli on pizza? That's it. I'm done.
What the heck is that? It is another way of saying what is that, but when you are shocked or surprised about something and you want to emphasize on that, you can say, what the heck is that? Instead of saying, what is that? Imagine your friend gives you a pair of socks for your birthday present and you are shocked and confused. You are like, what the heck is that? That is not a good present.
Oh, hey, easy. Why are you crying? It's just really the opposite of what we're going for here.
Now let's talk about easy. Here, easy is not an adjective. It is not the opposite of difficult. Here it means relax, keep calm. Like when you are too stressed or nervous about your exam and your mom would be like, come on, easy, take a deep breath and go, you can do it, don't worry.
It's just really the opposite of what we're going for here.
Crying helps me slow down and obsess over the weight of life's problems.
Slow down. You know, when something slows down, actually they will happen or they will move slowly. Like when sadness said, it helps me to slow down. It means it helps me to keep calm, feel relaxed. When you are in a car and the driver is driving too fast, you can be like, come on, slow down, it is too dangerous. Now let's talk about obsess over something or someone. This collocation is used a lot in daily conversations. It means to think about something too much, like you keep thinking about something more than usual. Also, when you use it for a person, it means you can't stop thinking about them. For an example, he is obsessed over Emma, like he can't stop thinking about her. Another example, she is obsessed over her weight. She's thinking about it all the time. You know, when you feel the weight of life's problems, actually you have too many difficulties in your life. She has many problems right now. She can feel the weight of problems.
Moved us here.
Look, I get it. You guys have concerns, but we've been through worse. Tell you what, let's make a list of all the things Riley should be happy about.
Fine.
At this moment, Joy said, you have concerns. You know, when you have a problem and you are worried about it, you keep thinking about that, you have concerns. Imagine you have had a terrible accident and you are worried about your car, you keep crying and your friend would say, I know that you have concerns, but we can fix it, don't worry. Joy is trying to think positive and she said, come on, we've been through worse. If you want to complete this sentence, you can say, we've been through worse than this problem. And as you know, we have been is a present perfect tense. I have completely talked about this grammar in this video. You can check this. Present perfect is a link between the past and the present. Also, when you have been through difficult situations, actually you have passed too many problems in your life. Now you can understand what is the meaning of we've been through worst. It means we have been through more difficult situations than this.
Now hold on. Look, we all have our off days, you know.
Hi, honey.
The mom bad news train is pulling in.
We all have our off days. Let me explain it with an example. Yesterday I was so tired, I didn't go to the gym, I didn't work out, I couldn't study for my exam, I don't know why. I think I had an off day. So when you have an off day, you don't feel happy or successful as usual. Maybe you just want to sleep or watch TV. These are our off days. And let me tell you something. Sometimes things won't go as you have planned. So it is okay if you want to have an off day.
Joy. Yes, Joy. You'll be in charge of the console, keeping Riley happy all day long. And may I add, I love your dress. It's adorable. Oh, this whole thing. Thank you so much. I love the way it twirls.
She said you will be in charge of the console. You have the responsibility to do it in a perfect way. For an example, the police is in charge of safety and security. At Jack's party, I am in charge of food and Sam is in charge of presents and gifts. Also, if you remember, Phoebe was in charge of cups at Friends TV show. And also the verb console means to make someone feel better when they feel upset or disappointed. So when Joy said you are in charge of console, it means that she is responsible to make Riley comfortable at school.
First day of school, very, very exciting. I was up late last night figuring out a new plan. Here it is. Fear. I need a list of all the possible negative outcomes on the first day at a new school.
I was up late last night. When you use this sentence, it means you didn't sleep up until like 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. Yesterday, one of my students felt too sleepy. He said, I was up late last night. I really want to sleep right now.
Let's make sure that all the sadness stays in the circle.
See? You're a pro at this.
Isn't this fun?
No.
You are a pro at this. Here, a pro means a professional. Like you can do it professionally. You are really great at it. I would say I am a pro at driving a car. I am not gonna exaggerate, but I can do it professionally.
Riley, would you like to tell us something about yourself?
No! Pretend we can't speak English.
Don't worry, I got this. Okay.
I got this. I can handle it. It is all under my control. I can do it all by myself. When you are moving too many heavy boxes and your friend would say, do you need my help? You can say, it's okay. Don't worry, I got this. I can do it all by myself.
Can I say that curse word now?
Curse word. It is a rude or offensive word that you can use it when you feel too angry or mad at someone. Actually, curse words are not appropriate for children, so it is better to not use them in front of kids. Like he shouted a curse word in front of everyone and he felt ashamed.
Black one.
Riley is acting so weird. Why is she acting so weird?
What do you expect? All the islands are down.
Joy would know what to do.
Why is she acting weird? I guess you know what is the adjective weird. When you are acting weird, actually you are behaving strange or unusual. You are not acting normal. For instance, why is she smiling without a reason? Why is she acting weird? What's going on?
Did you guys pick up on that? Sure. Let's probe, but keep it subtle so she doesn't notice.
So, how was the first day of school?
She's probing us.
Let's probe. You can use this verb when you are asking someone too many questions to finally understand a secret, a hidden information about something. For an example, the interviewer was probing me to finally understand the big news. Keep it subtle. You know, when something is subtle, they are not noticeable. They are not that much clear. They wanted to ask her a question to understand a secret, but also they didn't want it to be that much obvious.
Wait, Joy, you could get lost in there.
Think positive.
Okay. I'm positive you will get lost in there.
Now joy and sadness are out of the headquarters. They think they might get lost. If you don't have a map and you are new in a city, actually you will definitely get lost because you don't know the directions. On the other side, when you are in your hometown, actually you know all the streets, where to go, so you will never get lost. Think positive. This is so clear. The opposite side is think negative. If you are thinking positive, actually you are an optimist person. It is a common word in psychology. Let me tell you something. Always think positive in your life because after that, good things will happen in your life. Well, I did it and it worked pretty well for me.
Excuse me?
I was looking for, diversion!
What?
So long, sucker!
So long. It is an informal way to say goodbye. I have seen too many native speakers who have used this way to say goodbye. For an example, so long, see you later. He said, so long, sucker. Well, here sucker means a person who has been tricked into something. When you are fooling a person, you can call them sucker, but it is an informal word, so be careful. This word has another meaning. If you have listened to the song Sucker from Jonas Brothers, they say, I am a sucker for you. It means I am in love with you. I am that person who loves you a lot. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now and like this video to support me and to let YouTube algorithm know that you have enjoyed this content. Also, if you want me to talk about some other animations, movies or TV shows, you can comment them right down below. I will definitely do my best to make more videos for you. Also, if you have some other questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will read all of your feedbacks and answer your questions. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.